맛있다.
와, 멋있다.
너 목소리가 왜 그래? Korean words, similar sounds, different meanings. 의사, 의자. How are they different? 의사 means a doctor. 의자 means a chair. So please do not make mistakes like this. 이 의사에 앉으세요. Please sit on this doctor. Or like this. 의자 선생님이 뭐래? What did the chair say? So what do you need to say instead? 이 의자에 앉으세요. Please sit on this chair. 의사 선생님이 뭐래? What did the doctor say? 의사, 의자, 의사, 의자. Now, you know the difference, right? Korean words, similar sounds, different meanings. 어제, 언제. How are they different? 어제 means yesterday and 언제 means when. 어제. 어제 has no final consonants, but 언제 has a final consonant 니은. 언제. 언제. 한국엔 언제 오셨어요? When did you come to Korea? 어제 왔어요. I came yesterday. 어제, 언제. Korean words, similar sounds, different meanings. 목소리, voice, 목도리, scarf. 안녕, 잘 있었어, have you been? 너 목소리가 왜 그래? What happened to your voice? 너 목도리가 왜 그래? What happened to your scarf? 목소리, 목도리. They are different. Korean words, similar sounds, different meanings. 수영, 수영. Do they sound different to you? 수영 means swimming. 수영 means beard or mustache. 수영 has a final consonant, 이응. 이응 has no sound when it's used as a beginning consonant like 엄마, 안녕. But when it's used as a final consonant, it has the sound of ng, as in sing, ring, or king. So it's 수영, 영. 수염 has a final consonant, 미음. 미음 sounds like M as in mom or jam. So it's 수염, 염. 저 남자가 우리 오빠야. That man is my older brother. 누구? Who? 수염난 저 사람? The guy with the beard? 너무 더워. It's so hot. 수영하러 가고 싶다. I want to go swimming. 너 수영 잘해? Are you a good swimmer? 수영, 수염. Now you know the difference, right? 맛있다, 멋있다. How are they different? What does 맛있다 mean? You've already learned that from me. It means it's delicious. What about 멋있다 then? It means it looks cool. 맛 means a taste. 멋 means a style or attractiveness that a person or a thing possesses. And 있다 means there is or there are. Do you want to see how they're used? 맛있다.
와, 멋있다.
Korean words, similar sounds, different meanings. 시계, 세계. Do they sound the same to you? 시계 means a clock or a watch. 세계, 세계 means the world or the globe. 시계, the first syllable is 시, as in 시옷, 시험, test, 시간, time. 세계, the first syllable is 세, as in 세 명, 3 people, 세금, tax, or 세부, details. 지금 몇 시야? What time is it? 몰라. I don't know. 시계 안 찼어. I'm not wearing a watch. 난 세계 여행을 가고 싶어. I want to travel around the world. Me too. 나도. 시계, 세계. Do they still sound the same to you?